What's up, world? It's your man, Mr. Sand 44 Man, seen in over 100 plus countries around the world. And you're tuned into the Detroit Raw Show, only on YouTube and also on Social Cam. What's up, world? Hey, down here in Memphis, Tennessee, and been doing some little shots down here. I know if you've been tuned into my show, you've been checking them aerial shots. Y'all like, where you get that camera from, man? That's a bad baby. I know I heard y'all comments. Yeah. Not right now. I'll show you next year. I told you it was a whole new change coming to the Mr. Sand 44 Man Detroit Raw Show for next year. And y'all gonna be amazed, baby. I'm just working with my little toy right now, getting used to it and getting it adjusted and everything. And once I do that, it's gonna be on and popping, baby. On and popping. I'm down here, downtown Memphis. Right behind me in that backdraft, that's the pyramids. The pyramids. Anytime you come to Memphis, you got to go to the pyramids. I'm down here right behind Mud Island. Right over there, that's Mud Island. And that's like our equivalent to Belle Isle, Detroit, Michigan. So, you know, you catch a train, though. That's the only difference. But, yeah, if you come to Memphis, you got to go like that. Right here, like I said, that's the pyramids. And then over there, that's the bridge. Takes you over there to Arkansas. And pan around a little bit, you can just kind of see what you're gonna see on my aerial shots. You just seeing it on ground level, but you know, this is the way it looks downtown. And so, hey, I'm about to head back to the hotel, get this footage, and I still got a few more places that we're gonna stop by. We're gonna still stop by Graceland, Elvis Presley's house, and a couple of few other spots. I might go down here to Neely's Barbecue tonight and check out their barbecue, because you got to hit that spot too, just like Jack Pirtle's. But hey, I'm trying to enjoy a good time down here, and if at least not me enjoying a good time, I'm gonna give y'all a good time, because my shit is whack sometimes. So you know, it is what it is. But you know, I ain't gonna let it get me down. I'm just going to sit right here and let y'all see these sights, get this footage together for y'all, and try to put together a pretty nice show for y'all, okay? You're tuned into the Detroit Raw Show, only on YouTube and also on Social Cam, with your man, Mr. Sand 44 Man.